So in this part, I want to explain how when a customer enters the event you created, they can buy a seat. You've already created an event, just like we saw in the previous videos. Now the customer has come to that event and wants to buy a ticket. So what they do is look at the event details, and if they want, they can contact the venue or the organizer. Here are the details for the venue and the organizer. And in this section, they enlarge the page and click on the seat they want. For example, this seat with these specifications, number 4, row 1, and also this number. And from the standing seats, now I have a combination as well. I'll give you an example so you can see exactly what's happening. They select 3 of them. If you have carefully noticed, these are indeed the exact same precise specifications that are being fetched live and in real time online from the most current and up-to-date count, providing comprehensive and accurate data. So this amount is always up to date. All right, we'll add these 3 to our shopping cart as well. Here, 3 have been selected. 2 seats are also selected from the VIP category. As you can see, it turns yellow here when the customer clicks on Add to Cart. Now, if you go back once and, for example, enter this page again as another customer, you won't be able to select these 2 seats anymore because these 2 seats have been temporarily reserved. So in effect, they are temporarily reserved until the time you specified in the plugin settings. Here you can see that the VIP category has 2 tickets. The standard category as well, my apologies. The standing category or standing section also has 3 tickets purchased for it. So in total, there are 5 active tickets in the cart ready for payment. Now we click on the checkout button, checkout. So we will now click on the checkout button and then proceed to pay for the tickets. Here, I will carefully enter all the necessary details and then proceed to select the desired location. This is the full name, and these are all the important details. And then, for example, we click the button to make the payment. Whether you pay this way, your customer pays this way, or you go to the order in WooCommerce and complete the payment there, in any case, a ticket will be created. So the ticket has been created, but the payment hasn't been made yet. To complete the payment, we need to go to the WooCommerce order section, open the relevant order, and set the status to processing or complete. It doesn't matter whether it's set to completed or processing. These are the 2 statuses, these 2 states that create the order and generate the ticket. If it's set to any other status like cancelled, refunded, or failed, it will delete the ticket. So if you want to cancel a ticket, all you need to do is go to this page, click on cancel, and update it. The tickets that have been issued for the customer will effectively be cancelled. And if you want to issue them again, you just set the order to complete or processing. It doesn't matter which. So when I complete the order here, a PDF file of the ticket is automatically sent to this email. You can see that the email is about to be sent now. Okay, the email has been sent to us here. It says that you have purchased 5 tickets. It says that you have purchased 5 tickets, and you can also change this text if you want. From the settings, it says you have purchased 5 tickets under this name and with these details. So these 5 tickets are displayed in such a way that you can scan this QR code, and during the sessions, in the sessions, you can scan this QR code and either invalidate the ticket or check whether the ticket is valid or not. We'll cover this in future tutorials where we'll show you how to scan a ticket as a scanner in that event. Here you can see the details of the person who bought the ticket. The name of the event is shown, the address is listed, and the ticket number is provided. The details for that ticket, including the price and other specifics, are shown. All of this text here is editable, and the serial number of the next ticket will be different. We purchased a total of 5 distinct tickets, so 5 individual pages, essentially 5 full A4 size pages, will be meticulously generated for us. Now, the comprehensive details of precisely how you can effectively change this particular setting can be readily found within the dedicated settings section. Theme can also specify how long something should remain reserved. That is, for each customer who selects a seat and proceeds to payment, how long it should take before that seat becomes available again so the next customer can purchase it. By default, I've set this to 5 minutes. Here you can change the text and the email content. Here you can enable reCAPTCHA. Now, I'm explaining this because it's related, and here you can also set the ticket template and upload your logo. Here as well, you can conveniently change the header or footer text for each individual ticket. Another truly nice and beneficial feature we've thoughtfully added here for your convenience is that if you specifically want the emails to be sent entirely in Persian, you simply need to enable this particular checkbox. When you carefully check this box, you will then be able to successfully receive the complete ticket information in Persian. Now, what does it look like in Persian? Here, within the ticketing section, you will find a comprehensive log, specifically designated as the ticket email log. You have the capability to access this log and subsequently resend any email request that may be necessary. Now, if we proceed to check once more, the email should have been successfully dispatched in Persian, confirming its proper delivery. Okay, the email has arrived, and here it is in Persian. The email details have been generated in Persian. Very neat and organized. This image hasn't appeared either, so we need to check and see why it didn't come through. All right, take a look. Oh, let me mention this point as well. The area with the standing seats doesn't have seat numbers anymore. It's directly labeled as the standing area. If you've noticed, the rest have seat numbers, rows, and seat names, but the standing ones are just called the standing area. That's about the ticket the customer receives. In the next tutorials, we'll talk more about the different parts of the plugin.